So the other day, a customer of ours picked up their brand new Lexmoto, and unfortunately, they only made it 7 miles, and she pulled off to the side of the road, hit a bit of gravel, and she's crashed her brand new bike. Sarah, our customer, unfortunately broke her elbow, which is a bit of a shame, but I think she's on the mend now. Fortunately, the bike was in pretty good condition, but what we're gonna do for her is clean up her bike and fix it for her for free. So here is the bike, and this is the damage that she caused. To be fair, other than her elbow, I think she got away with it. There's just like little scratches in places. She bent the rear foot brake, which, you know, that's bendable. That's easy to put back. And she's also scratched up the running board. But this is all fairly easy stuff for us to do, I think. I don't actually think it needs any new parts. I think it's just some painting that's required. She scratched up the exhaust nice and good. And she has also put a scratch in the front fender. UK we call mudguard. Give Sarah a call and see if she's keen to let us do a little video and see if she wants us to fix her bike, because I know she wants it done. She was a bit shooken up by the experience, as we all would be if we had a little off. But the main thing is she's relatively all right, except from her sore elbow. So let's go give her a call and tell her the good news. Sarah, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad, you alright?
Yeah, good, thanks. I've had a little look over the bike, and I've also had a little look at some parts for sale.
Yeah.
Some of the bits are quite expensive, like the exhaust system's an all-in-one job. I thought it was a slip-on, but it's not, so it's quite expensive. And personally, I think we can probably do most of it by taking it off and giving it a bit of a key and repainting some of the parts. If you're happy with us doing that, I can just do it for free for you if you like, for you to get you back on the road.
Awesome, thank you so much, mate.
No, it's no worries. I'll give you a call when it's done.
No worries, cheers. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, no, it's no worries. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Cheers,
bye.
Sarah. Bye, bye, bye. Awesome. So she seems pretty keen for us to go mental with a rattle cam. No, I'm joking. Well, I'm not joking. We try our best to do a nice job of it. That's for sure. Let's get her motorcycle into the workshop and see if we can find some paint for it. Because I'm not sure I've got any matte black, so I might have to go out and buy some matte black paint, which is ideal because there's a car shop up the road in the industrial estate which sells paint. So let's get in and see which paints we've got. Cheers. Here. There's loads in there. I've got some engine enamel. I kind of need some exhaust paint. There's loads of crap paint in here that's from B&M from years ago. Don't want that. Goth black, that's for the van. I think I'm gonna have to go buy some matte black paint and some exhaust paint, which we probably need anyway, because it's always nice if you get a bit of a to give it a bit of a paint. All right, okay, so I've now got the bike up onto the bench because I don't know, I put it on the floor, I always do that. Forget that I have a bench, so. Right, I think the best thing for this is gonna be a pair of grips to try and get a bit of leverage on this to pull it down and back out and see if that'll come back around for them. Hopefully I can get a good enough grip on it with these to bend it back down. Oh, it's working. That's pretty spot on, isn't it? As it was from the factory, to a certain degree. So pretty good, I'd say. Not bad at all. Let's give this bit here, let's give this little running board a little sand, and then we'll give this a little blow over with a bit of paint. First of all, I'm just going to give it a little file, just to get a bit of the shape back. So the smoother I can get it, the better it'll look once it's painted. And yes, I know you're all probably freaking out because I'm using my files backwards and forwards, because with a file you're supposed to, and they're Halford Advanced, so you can snap it and get yourself a new one. Band with a little bit of 180, 240 on there, 400. little bit of blue roll, and some brake cleaner or acetone or isopropyl alcohol, whatever you have. Just get all the debris and dirt out of there. Right. When the Lexmotos turn up, they come in this big duvet, which is perfect for covering a bike if you want to paint it, because it's just going to stop all of the overspray going onto any of the other parts. So they're ideal, really. So let's get that on there, and then we can give this a little work. A treat. Look, I'm not going to get any overspray anywhere. Always get a little bit of paint out and give it a test, and then you just need. That's first coat. That's done. Don't need to do any more than that. Let's let it dry for a minute, and then we'll come back in and give it another coat. Another coat. Let that dry. Okay, so I'm gonna sand down this one to stop the paper going bad, because it's a bit more of a bigger job. I'm gonna use some soapy water as I sand this, just to stop the paper getting clogged up. Give this a bit of a spray, and then sand away. All the way up to a bit of 400. Let's give this a little clean with some brake cleaner. That's the majority of the sanding done. I'm gonna go get some lunch because I'm absolutely starving, and then I'm gonna go up to the car parts place and buy some matte black engine paint and some matte black paint for the brake lever, and then it should be all good to go, because so far the running board has come out pretty good. You can't see the scratches as much anymore. We're going to try and do this just to get it back on the road for her, so she feels a little bit less bad about crashing her bike, because I can imagine crashing a brand new bike is probably not a very nice feeling. Comment down below if you've ever crashed your brand new motorcycle, and hopefully all of you were fine, you didn't get hurt, and hopefully your bikes were easy enough to fit. So I'm going to go grab some paint and I'll be back in a minute. So it's now the next day, because after lunch I got a little bit hung up and a little bit busy, but I did manage to get the paint. The exhaust is nice and dry now. I'm going to give it one more wipe to get rid of some of the dust on there, and then start spraying that exhaust up. So let's get on that, and we can start letting that dry. Just going to stick a bit of cardboard behind the wheel, because I don't want to get a paint anywhere. Give it one more final clean with some acetone or brake cleaner. And a little trick, leave this in the sun for 5 minutes just to warm the paint up. Today is extremely hot, so you don't want to leave it on there too long. That'll about do it for the first coat. While we let that dry, I'm going to start taking off the front brake lever, or lever if you're in America, because this is just going to be a lot easier to do off the bench, because there's a little bit of damage in there and you want to paint it nicely. I think we can touch these little bits up with just a little bit of paint in a paint pot and a little brush. So let's lower it down off the bench, and we can start taking, oh, mind the feet for all them people who've got the feet weirdos. Barefoot, because it's extremely hot, so get your money's worth while you can. But yeah, let's get this off while the exhaust is drying, and we can paint up this as well. Easy. Got one first. It is a nice new bike, so it should be fairly easy to work on, and nothing should be too stuck. I'm going to do the same again and just smooth it out with a bit of a file, just to take out these harsh gouges on it. We could have bought a new one of these, but Lexmoto doesn't have it in stock, which is slightly embarrassing. Luckily, she crashed at quite low speeds, so that's a positive. She did hurt her elbow, so hopefully she's going to be on the mend. And she's not been put off by riding her bike, which is great. That's good news. And hopefully this gives her a little bit more confidence. Sorting her bike out for free will just give her, you know, it won't feel like a saw. That's smoothed right off now, so let's get some 180 on it, fluff it up a little bit of 250, 400, and then get a little paint. Nice and keyed up, a little spray. And then I'm going to hang it up in my drawer and paint it in there because I've got a little hook that will fit onto there and I can get a nice lick of paint. So now everything's painted up, I just got to wait for everything to cure, wait for it to dry. I'm actually going to let this exhaust go slightly tacky and then I'm going to run the engine because it's a heat paint, so you need to get some heat through it to make it cure. And I believe the hotter it gets, the more gloss it goes, and we don't want it to get too glossy because the exhaust is kind of a matte black, but luckily it's the end can, so it never gets that hot anyway. But yeah, just stick all the parts back on. I'm going to leave that brake lever to cure for a bit, probably stick that back on tomorrow once it's dry. And yeah, and then hopefully we can get Sarah down to the shop and she can come pick up her new bike, newly repaired after her little whoopsie. Nice, look how much better that looks. That looks so much better. She's gonna be so happy with that. Look, it blends in really nicely to that matte black. Let's get this, let this get up to temperature, get it nice and warm, and then it should be good to go. Bye.
Hello, mate.
Hi Sarah, it's Jago.
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah, not bad, how are you?
Yeah, not bad time, mate.
The bike is all done.
Oh, perfect.
Give me a heads up and then we'll arrange you coming down, all right Sarah?
Yeah, no worries. No worries. Cheers, Jago.
No worries, speak to you soon, bye.
Bye.
Cool, so Sarah's gonna make her way down. We'll wait for her friend to get back from her and hopefully she can come pick it up. So hopefully she'll be here soon. So stay tuned, as it were. You're still broken.
I am still broken.
How are you?
I'm
You all right?
you all right?
Yeah, good, thanks.
Good.
Hello, mate. How are you?
You all right?
Oh, nice,
all right.
nice to see you again.
Oh my God.
What do you think?
Yeah. Brilliant. Thank you so much.
You can barely see it, can you?
No. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we felt a bit bad when you fell off.
I can't believe it. I really can't.
And then you're going to be riding at home.
Yep.
You're going to make that bike look
Tiny.
tiny.
Yeah. Used to 1200.
Yeah, no, I think I think you'd be lucky to get 50 out of it, to be honest, Matt. How long have you got until you're out of the sling?
So I could possibly come out of the sling in a week or so.
Yeah.
But then I've got all my physiotherapy and everything because instead of fracturing down the bone, I've gone along the bone from the elbow joint along.
Oh, so you've actually like split it down.
Yeah.
Oh.
On radius bone.
We don't. How did you do it? Because the right-hand side of the bike was damaged, but you broke your left elbow.
This is what I don't get.
How does that happen?
I don't know because I came off rightwards and went into the road.
Yeah. So how did you break your left elbow?
I don't know, but you've got all the scratches on my glove from where I've put my hand down, all back up my arm.
That's so
So
strange.
I didn't even hit my elbow. It's where my hand went down.
Oh,
All the bones back up my arm.
Ah, so you must have literally just gone like that,
Yeah.
and then it's gone crack.
Yeah.
Holy sh. Well, at least you're on the mend.
Well, there is
and your
that.
bike looks as it should do now,
does.
from factory.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really do.
No, that's all right.
I'm just really annoyed with myself that.
But at least
came
you've
off fully
you've
7
not
miles
you've
up the road.
you've not you've not got the battle scars on the bike anymore. Have you just got a broken elbow? So
No,
you should
and
be
the
all
bike
right.
came off better than what I did. So.
Yeah, no, I was really worried when you guys called me and was like, she's crashed the bike. I was like, I was like, that's not good news.
No.
I was like, I know which road you're on as well, and I
Yeah.
was like, people crash on there. They crash on there quite a lot, don't they? It's not a good road to be on.
Well, I
but
was having
luckily, it was on that little
Yeah.
lay-by.
I was having a lovely little cruise along, and then Charlotte was getting a bit panicked about the cars behind us.
Yeah.
So we pulled over at like literally that sort of junction just above
Yeah,
where
yeah.
I come off, and nothing was coming. So I was like, right, let's get going. So I pulled out. Charlotte didn't come with me, so I was like, I'll pull in down here, concentrating more on Charlotte than what I was doing, and yeah.
What a nightmare.
So serves me right, really.
It's kind of the downside of this CBS system as well, because when you smash on the front brake, it does the rear brake at the same time.
Yeah.
Because it's
The
not got
back end,
ABS.
I felt the back end.
Yeah, yeah,
just
it locks up quite quick.
Yeah.
It's great on like a straight bit of road. It stopped really fast, but it can also on gravel, it can be a
Yeah.
bit scary.
I'm actually quite pleased that I didn't even catch the tank.
No, yeah, you literally just did the front brake
Yeah.
lever, that bar end, a little bit up there, the mud guard and the exhaust, and obviously that was bent, but
Yeah.
that bent right back. And then we painted up the running board as well. So you can't really see anything. Well, you'll see the full video of what I did to it.
Yeah, awesome. Thank
You'll
you.
be like, oh, what a terrible job.
No, definitely not. It's actually, I can't believe this. You can't even see.
No,
where you
in
painted
certain
that.
angles of light, you can see like these little dents.
Yeah.
But like
that's
the actual
nothing.
main scratches and the
Yeah.
paint that I got matched the exhaust really well.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it's really
hopefully
good.
it'll be all good. And you get to do its maiden voyage
Yeah.
with a new bike.
Yeah, there you go. Twice new bike.
Yeah, twice new bike.
Twice new bike.
Twice new bike. Yeah.
Twice driving out the show.
Right, should we get it out and get you kitted up so you can?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bet it won't start now. But. Yeah, you're gonna love it, mate. Oh, the power.
Oh, look at that. Oh, weapon.
That's all right. If I win the competition, we might be back for another one.
Yeah, right. Yeah, if you do win the competition, you'll have 2 on the go, which would be great.
She's not a bad looking bike, is she?
No, they're good-looking bikes. I think.
Yeah.
I think they're quite nice.
125, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it does look a bit bigger than the 125, doesn't it?
Yeah, and then the Zontests we got are even bigger.
Yeah.
They're huge.
Yeah.
But yeah, enjoy it, and hopefully I don't see you again. Oh no, I will, because you need to get it
I've got
serviced.
to bring it back for a service.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I hope your elbow gets better quickly, and you'll be
Yes.
back on the bike.
I'm hoping possibly 4 to 5 weeks and I'll be back on.
Nice, happy days.
Because I'm 3 weeks into this now,
Yeah,
and they've said it could take 4 to 6 weeks for the bone to actually heal,
yeah,
and then it's the physiotherapy and trying to get it, because I can't even get it straight.
yeah.
So
Takes a
I
bit
can,
of time.
I can
doesn't
get it to about like there. If
Yeah.
I go any further, I'm like, nah, it
Yeah.
just doesn't work. So
At least it didn't end badly, because like I said, it's such a road to go down.
yeah, well, in actual fact, as I come off and I looked up, I seen a car come right in front of me, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, no, you're lucky where you fell off, really.
So yeah, well, let's try and get this baby home now then.
Yeah, nice to see you again.
Yes, Andrew, thank you so much.
No,
for
it's all good.
what you've done.
No,
Absolute legend.
I'm glad you like it. And yeah, let us know how you get on once you're better.
Yeah. And I can definitely say this guy is the guy to come to buy a bike.
Enjoy your
Definitely.
maiden voyage and don't crash it, all right?
Yeah.
I'm not going to do this again. Yeah, wicked. Cheers, guys. Nice to see you, all right? Thank you very much.
Thank you so much
No,
for
it's all right.
doing what you've done.
No, it's fine. Honestly.
It was, I couldn't believe it. I thought, bloody crap, look at that. Most people just leave it, say, no, get on with it.
No, that's all good.
But no,
Enjoy, all right, guys?
Yeah, thank you so much.
Wicked, and cheers for letting me film as well. See you later, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you soon. Oh, that went all right, didn't it?
Yeah.
Sarah's got her bike back, and thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you now. Bye-bye.